may kapighatian, may kalungkutan, mas doon ninyo mapatutunayan ang inyong pag-ibig, pagmamahal, at katapatan sa isa't isa.
You know I do. Thank the universe that all the stars aligned for us till the end. Two hearts, one love. And I'm giving you my hand now, and I'll be yours till the sun burns out, until our hearts are barely beating. I'm gonna stay right where we are.
Jameline, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jonathan na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
To my one and only me. Una sa lahat, happy 12th anniversary sa atin. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon dahil niloob niya yung pagkakataon na ito para sa atin, para tayo maging isa.
You know I do every little thing I can just to make you laugh. From our first dance to our last, and I'm giving you my hand now.
Before I start, I would like to thank God for having you in my life. I can promise to be perfect. You know, if I'm mad, I say things that I didn't mean to. But please remember, in any hardship that we will encounter, I love you more.
Until we're old and barely breathing, till death do us part, till death do us part.
Sabay natin bubuuin yung mga pangarap natin at lagi mo tandaan na ako magiging unang tagapakinig, sandalan, kadamay, tagapayo mo saan man pagsubok o problema makakaharapin mo. Dahil bilang asawa, ako magiging takas at katuwang mo sa bawat araw at pinapangako ko na ingatan ka, kaalagaan at ipagtatanggol habang ako'y nabubuhay.
On and on, until our
And when I say I love you more, I didn't mean I love you more than you love me. I mean, I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any fights we will ever have. I love you more than any imperfections that we have. I love you more than any obstacle that could try and come between us. I love you the most.
and only love can be so honest. I swear that I'll never go too far.
Love you me at lagi lang natin mahalin ang isa't isa at pati na din ang ating pamilya.
I promise till death do us part, till death do us part, till death do us part.
Alam mo mi, nung unang maging tayo, di ko akalain na aabot tayo sa puntong ito dahil halos opposite tayo. Maganda ka, pangit ako, matangkad ka, maliit lang ako, sexy ka, tapos payat ako noon. At higit sa lahat, talino ako, pero mas matalino ka. Pero sabi nga ng iba, opposite attract, di ba? Kaya baliwala lahat ng yan dahil ever since maging tayo, nakita ko yung purity at sincerity ng pagkatao mo at bihirang makakita ng babaeng katulad mo.
We're driving west to the coastline, and it feels like summertime as the wind is blowing by. Yesterday in the rearview.
Kasi sinabi ko sa sarili ko noon na di na kita papakawalan pa. At ngayon nga na nandito na tayo sa punto ng buhay natin na to, tayo ay magiging isa na, nais kong ipangako sa iyo na kailan may di kita pagtataksilan, iibigin ka ng buo at higit sa lahat, handa kong ibigay ang buhay ko para sa iyo.
So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. Won't stop, now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go, soak up the sun rays. Smile on, yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop, life is what we
yung iiyak na si ata. Kinukil ko lang.
Feel the rush of the good life running through like a riptide. Oh, we never felt more alive. Our own path. Nothing holding us back. So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. Won't stop. Now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go. Soak up the sun rays. Smile on. Yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop. Life is what we make. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Jonathan, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jamie Lee na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Best is yet to come.